forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
All right, here in East Tennessee, a few changes on the way for us. You're saying a better chance of rain today, Victoria.
Yep, some scattered showers back in the forecast today. We're going to notice those clouds kind of thicken up. I don't think we're going to see a lot in terms of thunderstorms.
Okay.
It's going to be some of that light rain, just enough to make you want to stay inside. So.
Read a book, sit on the couch, that kind of stuff.
Yes, that kind of weather today. Yeah. So we are going to deal with that on and off at times. Not a complete washout, but if you're about to head out the door, I'd probably pack the umbrella. Let's talk about this morning, though. Currently over West Knoxville, we're not noticing a lot of clouds, but once that sun comes up this morning, I am expecting another hazy, kind of smoky look. And that's because our smoke forecast has really shown that some of that smoke from those wildfires further to our north in Canada has thickened up during the overnight hours. I'm going to play you forward this smoke forecast so you can get an idea of just how thick it's going to be closer to about 8 a.m. this morning. So a very hazy look expected. We're also going to be noticing some more clouds filtering in. So it's likely going to seem pretty overcast throughout a good chunk of your day today. Looks like that smoke tries to lighten up a little bit as we head towards the afternoon hours. Anywhere you see that grayish color, that means that it's not quite as thick, but still something to note this morning is that as a result of that thickened smoke from those wildfires in Canada, our air quality index right now is at a 107. So that places us in this unhealthy for sensitive groups category. Now, technically, that would mean that we would have a code orange day today. However, that's not what they're forecasting for the rest of the day. So it is going to be something that we monitor. They're really keeping us still in that moderate category. But if that smoke takes some time to kind of dissipate this afternoon, they may need to issue an air quality alert. And of course, we'll keep you up to date. Remember, that air quality alert means that anyone who's sensitive, asthma, lung disease, you want to make sure that you're giving yourself plenty of time indoors today. Right now, it looks like the smoke is pretty thick locally and currently, but it may not stay that way through the afternoon hours. Temperature-wise this morning, we're sitting in the 50s and 60s, 59 in Alcoa, 62 in Knoxville, and 54 degrees this morning at Fairfield Glade. The sweatcast overall still shows a pretty comfortable air mass. But as we watch that front moving from the north, we are going to notice that, of course, our humidity increases. This is a look at the satellite and radar imagery, and you can see some of those clouds already moving into southeast Kentucky. Some of that rain, though, hasn't really made it there just yet. It's mainly back near Lexington. I'd say around mid-morning is when we start to notice at least some scattered rain showers. At midday, our rain chance already up to about 40%. Most of that at midday is just going to be showers. And then later this afternoon, there's a very isolated chance to see a few thunderstorms develop. These don't look to be severe, although you may briefly see some gusty winds. For most areas, this is mainly a rain event, but because of all the clouds, we only get into the upper 70s today, so a much cooler afternoon compared to what we had yesterday. Some areas, in fact, over the plateau in southeast Kentucky are a lot cooler. 71 in Middlesboro, 71 in Oneida, 78 today in Knoxville. Notice that the Southern Valley's warmer, and that's because that front is coming in from the north, so it's going to take a little more time to get to the Southern Valley, so they'll have a little more of an opportunity to warm up this afternoon, hence why they also have a slightly better chance to see a few thunderstorms. I think the timeline forecast has a pretty good grip on today's weather. At 8 a.m. this morning, we're beginning to see a few showers over Kentucky, and then closer to lunchtime, we have some more widespread coverage of rain. Isolated downpour or two this afternoon, but you're likely still dodging some rain showers as you head home from work, and gradually we'll notice overnight that those rain chances start to taper off. So we're up to 78 degrees today, scattered rain showers with our winds out of the south and west. Overnight, we're still tracking at least a few showers early. Lows fall into the mid to upper 50s for many, so more of a cooler start to your Thursday. Dry for your day tomorrow and beautiful on Friday. Lots of sunshine for the start of the weekend period. We have delayed that rain chance Sunday until really late in the afternoon, and looks more likely rain and storms impact us Sunday night into Monday morning.
All right, Apple.